Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the blue screen of death on Windows 11.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Wait 10 seconds. Step 3. Turn the PC back on. Fix 2. Disconnect external devices. Step 1. Turn off the PC. Step 2. Unplug USBs, printer, external drive, etc. Step 3. Start the PC again. Fix 3. Update Windows. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update. Step 3. Click Check for updates. Step 4. Install updates and restart. Fix 4. Update device drivers. Step 1. Right-click Start. Step 2. Open Device Manager. Step 3. Right-click Driver. Update driver. Fix 5. Run Windows Blue Screen Troubleshooter. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Step 3. Run Blue Screen Troubleshooter. Fix 6. Scan for corrupted files. Step 1. Search command prompt. Step 2. Right-click Run as administrator. Step 3. Type SFC Uscano. Step 4. Press Enter and wait.